Hello, future topper. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if the curve y equals y of x represented by the solution of the differential equation this. So, first we have to solve this differential equation passing through the intersection of the line this and this. Okay, so from these two lines you will find out the point of intersection and your curve is passing through that point. Means that point will be used to find out the integration constant c, and then later you have to find out y of 1 mod. So let's solve this differential equation first. So we have 2xy square minus y dx plus x dy equals to 0. Now, so what we will do first, we will apply the filter named variable separable method. Now, do you think you can segregate x and y? No, because they are not together. Like all x are not together, all y are not together, and both of them are not in product. So we cannot segregate them. Now, do you think we can convert them into their own filters? Means dy by dx equals to linear filter 1? No, it is quadratic. है ना? Then we have dy by dx equals to linear by linear. It is not like that. Then we have x dx plus or minus y dy. We cannot find this thing either. Okay, so we have to think differently. So first we have to respond for uh, linear differential equation. So how does linear differential equation look like? It look like dy by dx and then plus y, then p of x equals q of x. Okay, so we will try to convert our question into that form. So for that we have to divide both sides by dx. So can I write x dy by dx, and then we will be having minus of y, and then we will send this thing that side. So minus of 2x y square. Why I wrote that way? Because I want dy by dx this, and then we want y. Okay, now look at this. Here we should have function in x, here we should have function in x. We have that thing, but this part is different. So we have to apply the concept of uh, like reducible to linear differential equation. Okay, over there we have, over here we have extra y power n. So what we will do, we will get rid of that x, that y square, and we also want dy by dx to be free from any variable. So can I divide both side by x y square, and look at this, what will happen. So we will be having 1 by y square dy by dx minus, we will be having 1 by x and then y, 1 by y. Okay, and then we will be having minus of 2. Now we have to do anything to make dy by dx free from any coefficient. So for that what I will do, I will assume that thing to be z, y power minus 1. Now we will have dz by dx is equal to minus of y square dy by dx. Now let's update. So we have minus of dz by dx, and then we will have minus of 1 by x z, and then we have minus of 2. Now can I multiply both sides by minus? So we will have plus plus plus. Now if you'll observe, you have converted successfully into the required form. Now let's apply that formula. So we have e power integration f of x p of x t of x. d of x by x is equal to e power d of x by x, and then we have this is z, so here we will not write y, we will be writing z. Okay, and then we will be writing over here 2 and the whole integration. Okay, so we will have z times e power ln x is equal to integration 2 times e power ln x dx, and then we will be having x square means e power ln x will become x, and integration of x will become x square by 2. So 2 gone, we are left with this z x. Okay, now we have to convert our question in the form of x and y. So who is z? Z was 1 by y. So can I write x by y is equal to x square plus c? So this is our function. Now what is given? They have given some data. Okay, so our curve is passing through this point, this straight line. So let's solve those two straight lines. So if you'll observe, we will apply elimination method. So we will eliminate x. So for that we will multiply 3 to the equation 1. So we have 6x minus 9y equals 3, and then we'll multiply by 2. So 6x plus 4y plus 16, and then subtract. So sign changes. Okay, so this thing gone, so we are left with minus 13y is equal to minus 13. So we got value of y as 1. So we got y as 1. Suppose y is 1. So minus 3 that side, plus 3, so 4. So x will become 2. This means our curve is passing through 2 comma 1. So 2 comma 1. So you have to satisfy this point. So x is 2, y is 1. So it will become 4 plus c. So c becomes minus of 2. Okay, so let's update. So x by y is equal to x square minus of 2. So this is our function. Okay, now what do we want? We want y of 1 mod. So we have to replace x with 1, that's it, and then we have to find out the value of function. So 1 by y is equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So y will be equal to 1 by minus 1, and we want mod. So y of 1 come mod, we got y of 1 as minus 1, so but mod will be what? 1. Therefore the required value is 1. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.